Welcome to another 1 Minute Wednesday, where we try our best to cover one of Desk Director's many features in about a minute. This week, we will talk about the benefits of using OAuth for client portal login. Enhanced security. OAuth offers a more secure authentication method than traditional password-based logins. With OAuth, user passwords are never stored or transmitted directly to Desk Director. Instead, authentication is managed by Microsoft's secure infrastructure, reducing risks like weak passwords, password reuse, or credential interception. Two-factor authentication, 2FA. Desk Director utilizes Microsoft's 2FA capabilities through OAuth. With 2FA enabled, users must provide an additional verification factor, such as a unique code sent to their mobile device or a biometric scan, along with their Office 365 credentials. This extra layer of security makes it much harder for unauthorized users to access the client portal, even if the password is compromised. Compliance with industry standards. By integrating OAuth with Office 365, Desk Director follows industry best practices and security standards. Microsoft invests heavily in securing its authentication infrastructure, ensuring OAuth meets strict security requirements and undergoes regular audits and updates. By using OAuth, Desk Director benefits from these robust security measures, providing enhanced protection for user accounts and sensitive data. Continuous security improvements. Microsoft continuously improves the security features and protocols of OAuth. They monitor emerging threats, implement advanced security controls, and deliver regular updates to address vulnerabilities. By using OAuth for client portal login, Desk Director customers automatically benefit from these ongoing security enhancements without needing additional effort or maintenance. That is the benefits of using OAuth for client portal login. Thank you for joining today's 1 Minute Wednesday. See you next time.